Hi, I'm Rich Benatti, and welcome to another episode of Northeast Packard Classic Cars. As usual, from time to time, we like to share some restoration tips for people that are working on particular cars. We're working on a 1937 Packard 115 convertible coupe. Almost identical to the 120 in the sense that the body is exactly the same, body and doors, and the rear section of the car are the same. The front part of the car has a shorter hood, shorter hood sides. The fenders are attached slightly differently, and the running boards and chassis are shorter also. From time to time, we try to share some of the things that we reproduce for these cars so that other people might be able to access our restoration shop to do specific small things that they might need on their car. We make a complete wood kit for this car, which includes the floor sections, because this car was actually made of wood on the floor piece. You could see it, white ash. Then the body is bolted to it, and then it's bolted to the frame. We also make and have these. These are rear top header bows. They're done in 3 pieces. We actually laminate 3 pieces of white ash together, and then they're steam bent. These will be attached to here. And it also gives the reason that it's made out of wood is to give it the shape, and also to be able to staple the top material into it and then anchor down to this point. We also make stainless steel rivets, which are for the top mechanism, which goes across here. Each of these rivets are made out of stainless steel, exactly as from the factory, and then they're crimped over. We use a crimping machine which will actually crimp the rivet over rather than using a ball peen hammer, which could damage the chrome, and also doesn't give you that tight of a fit. So this is another thing that we reproduce. One of the biggest problems we had with this car is the top of the window sills here. There's a piece of trim that goes on top here. This car was missing them. So luckily, I had a friend who had a set of these that they allowed us to borrow. And we were able to reproduce these out of 1 piece of steel, actually 3 pieces of steel. And these are perfect match and fit on here perfectly. They have the countersunk spots for the screws to be attached, and also the thing is, like I said, is made in 1 piece of steel. This can be sent out right now. We're going to send it out today to be plated. This should be made in chrome. And finally, we make the top header bow, which is this piece right here. And this is going to go across the front of the car, which sits here, and again, gives us 2 things. It anchors itself with the top mechanism to the windshield, and also gives us a surface where you can nail in the front part of the top. Next month we'll be having another YouTube video, show you the progress that we're making on this car, and this should be quite a piece when it's finished. So it's Rich Benatti saying goodbye, and hope that your restoration projects are going well. And as always, any parts that we offer you, we have here in stock and ready to help. Thank you.